How to fix ThinkPhone 25 keeps dropping call. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After inserting your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and click on reset options. On top you can see the option reset mobile network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset network settings, then go back and check your system updates. Now click on system update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.